artistic wire, findings form, oval adjustable bracelets, and we threw a ring in just for fun. I'm going to be using 14 gauge artistic wire, and this is the artsy wire. This one is the olive. You can see that there's some mottledness on it. The mottled artsy wire gives you the ability to make some very interesting artistic style jewelry. All you have to do to start is to bend this up and around that loop. And notice I'm working on a surface. And then I turn this tool so that I can place the wire right where it goes. Now, this is, as I said, this is 14 gauge artsy wire in the olive, and you have to hold the wire down. You don't want it to pop up. And you can come here and then bring this right nicely and tight around that loop. So then I just come in here and cut about right there, and then that's going to pop off. Pull this one off. Cut about right here on this one as well. Okay, now I'm going to use curved chain nose, and I'm going to bend this toward this wire. So I'm going to grasp it here and just go just like that, so that this can come inside here, and then I'm going to use the center here to just close this loop down, making sure that it's not too tight. And then we're going to do the same over here. I'm going to tighten this down just a little bit. I'm going to bend that towards the other wire, just like so. And this can loop through there. You want these side by side. You don't want them crossed. And I'm going to close this down. And you have an adjustable bangle bracelet that, of course, opens so that you can get your hand through it, and then back down. And because this is 14 gauge wire, you can readjust it so that it will open and close for you as you put it on and take it off. To make the ring, you lay the wire just as we did before and make the loop there. And then you can wrap this around, going through here, back around. And I'm using 20 gauge half hard German style wire. You can use silver filled, you can anything that's hard because you want it to spring back. And then you make your other loop there. You just come back through here and snip this in half, and snip this one, just snip it just past where the loop is, and then guide this up and off. Okay, and you're also going to use the curved chain nose to bend that towards the other one, and do the same here. And then flip this through in here, and close that down a little bit. And then flip this through in here, and close that down a little bit. Make your little snip here, and finish closing it. Now to open it up, you can place it on a ring mandrel. If you notice, I haven't got my angles just right, so you can just reach in and grab these and kind of twist them so that they come together. And then this ring, as you put it on, if you want to use a ring mandrel, you can, and then you've got your adjustable ring.